Okay, this is the one of the vending machine here. I am here in the top of Hiroshima Castle. This is my first time to try the vending machine, so I want the Nescafe for 110 yen. I just don't know what is this. I was just gonna press whatever I think. Okay, so I have 110, I have 100 yen, and 10 yen. So there is a vending machine everywhere in Japan. All right, here you go. There you go. 110, 100. So 110 yen. Oops, so the light turned on blue. Let us see what happened. Press this one. Let's see this. This. Oops, let's remove my drink. That's a Nescafe. Alrighty. I think my coffee is ready. Oh, I'm still making my coffee. There you go. It's red. It means, I believe that when I guess when the red stop, coffee is ready. I think the coffee is ready. Alright, let me get the coffee. Or I get a coffee then. There you go. Oh, it's cold coffee. Alright. Coffee, cold coffee here. Bye.